Don't choke B, don't choke south.
They have flame bass, yeah. they have
Careful,
flame
careful.
bass.
You listen. Spread. Tanks control them from walking in. Okay. Their brawlers are stepping up. Careful. Spread. Do not be too close. Okay. Careful. Malika east side shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side shallow. Oh, come back fast. Ready defenses. Come back west. Kill the front line only. You brawl shallow only. Come west side. Okay, come west side. Kill everything.
Sa outside daw, baka may pumasok.
Okay, na hold. They
Going
step back.
back.
Hindi pa napupush.
Okay, they step back. Okay, just hold.
Bumalik.
Listen, careful only.
Holding ako
Don't
inside.
hold yet, okay? You kill the tanks inside. Kidnap the tanks inside if you can. Okay,
Pa-silence ng ano, guys. Pa-silence ng balik ko.
Careful, defend. Southeast shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast shallow. Kill the tanks inside. Okay, come back. Yo, careful.
Papasok na yan nila.
Careful inside. Nice one, Leopard. Nice one, Kaba. Hold. Come west side. Careful, heal up front line. Heal up my front line only. Yo, listen. Careful on the east side, okay? Careful on the east side, boys. They have engaged. Pakulas engaged. Careful. Battleground, stay in the front, boys. Careful.
Quiet,
Just hold them down the choke. Listen, okay? Wait only. Ready defense, okay? Careful
Ayun,
on this choke.
putang ina na Marcus
Yeah.
Pakol.
Ready, careful. Just careful, boys. Do not step up. Chill. We cannot push them until we kill more of them, okay? Just chill. Do not step up. Pakul's gonna engage very fast on this choke. Get ready to defend.
Ingat sa wall, ah.
Dalawang def tank patay ah.
Inching up ulit.
Isa na lang
Spread,
def
spread,
lahat.
spread. Just wait only, okay?
Nabalik na ako sa Zerg.
B7
Kapag mark na ako.
Yeah.
Pwede na mamatay.
They're wrapping a bit, okay? So be careful.
Prepare over the ball.
Nice engage there. Hold on.
Natamaan
I'm trying to
ko
look
yung
for
ano.
Pakul. I don't see him, man.
Poison basi.
Careful front line. He playing behind usually of his Zerg. Or like in the middle of his Zerg. Yo, can we kidnap tank? Yo, can we...
East side.
Can we kill this tank in the front? Look at this tank in the front. South side. Get ready. Wait. 5.
Sa ano?
Come back.
Nasa southwest. Nandito ako sa northeast.
Everyone, defend now. Southeast shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast shallow. Ay, come back.
Dito ako sa isa. Titingin na mga...
Yeah, we have bomb squad. Don't worry, we have a bomb squad. Yo, help my east side. Heal up my
No, Trin,
east side.
naririnig kasi
Nasa west. Sino nasa west?
Help my bomb squad, okay?
Di pa rin.
Yo, help my bomb in the front. Just kill front
Going
line
back.
shallow, okay? Just kill tank shallow.
Support
Ay,
yung bomb
balik sa
squad
side
natin
natin,
pag
side
mag-engage.
And the
natin.
brawlers just brawl
Uh,
inside.
dismount ka.
The people at the east side, be careful. Please be careful.
Dismount
Ayun,
the
Remounting yung ano.
Probably a easy fight on us.
Remounting yung behemoth.
Yo, listen. We're not gonna counter fast. We're just
Yo, masyadong maraming
gonna-
balista dito. Dalawa nga
Wait a
go
bit,
northeast.
Dito ako sa isa. Titingin, ah.
Yo, listen. One behemoth, can you ready to silence?
Nasa west. Nasa east din ako eh.
If they engage,
Masyado na tayo marami dito.
Yo, ready defense up front.
We have many east side.
Sino nasa south?
Yeah, careful. Spread
Oh,
north,
sa
gitna na lang ako, gitna.
careful.
Sa likod. Meron sa likod. Baka may nagkaroon.
Yo,
Careful,
wakal.
Just careful. Just
Stepping
wait.
up, stepping up,
Stepping
stepping up.
Stepping up.
East side, okay? They're stepping up east side. Careful. Hold on. Marlika, spread more. Hold on. Marlika, very
Right side,
shallow. Get ready, okay? Hold. Careful. Pakul gonna look soon. Just wait. Hold on. Heal up. Marlika, shallow on me.
Stepping up,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me. Ay, come back. Pakul sila counter. Ay, come back. Careful. Hold. Brawl inside. Brawl the tanks inside. Brawl the tanks only. Okay? Brawl the tanks only. Careful in the front. Careful in the front.
Yo, yung jug. Paano siya yung jug?
I
Ang
marked
sad
Pakul
malalim.
already, okay? He's east side of me, okay? Careful, okay? Spread.
So,
Ready defense on this
tingin sa
choke.
likod.
Listen, ready spam
Maano
guard on
tayo?
this choke, okay?
Baka ma-flank.
Do.
Brawlers
He's gonna
na
look
sa
soon.
northeast side.
About to engage, careful.
Inside
He's looking, he's on the east side, okay? Pakul on the east side. Careful. Boys, careful. Spread more. Hold on. Ready defenses here.
Top na ako, ah.
Yo, Marlika, shallow east side. Get ready. Wait.
Nasa northeast ako. Nasa northeast ako.
4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow east side. Come back fast. Miss. Come back fast. Yo, hold them. Just hold them. Spread only. Good hold. Just hold only. Brawl shallow only. Careful, okay? Careful northeast side, boys. Just wait.
15 seconds.
Tanks, just control them from climbing up this choke here, okay? Just control them. Ready? They're looking. Defend out.
Defensive.
Hold. South side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South side now. Come back, okay? Yo, damage faster, okay?
East side,
Careful north
engage.
east side. Nice one.
Ubus.
Nice one, Kaba. Nice one.
Pakul,
Hold. Hold. Heal up. Wait. On the next engage, just wait. On the next engage, they're about to engage, okay? They're about to engage. Ready to hold them. Ready
Nasa
to hold
ano ka?
them.
Nasa northeast pa rin ako.
Listen,
Nasa baba pa rin si Pakwan.
just hold, okay? Just hold.
Nala ako
Heal up
gitna.
front, heal up front
Sorry,
line
puta,
only. Wait only, boys. Wait only. Patience.
They going south.
Hold on, okay? Wait. Careful, okay? They're stepping out. Okay, come back like this. Okay, just hold. Hold on, you tell me where they are.
I think.
Come east side a bit. Step up a bit. Okay. Where they? How big are they
Layo.
still?
Mga
South.
one
Come
sprint
northwest,
away.
come northwest.
One sprint away.
Come northwest. Don't be too far away.
Come back.
Are they still holding?
Come back to front.
Uh,
How
but
big
the
are they
south,
still?
careful. One shot
37,
on our north.
37.
One shot our north.
87 is the big one.
One shot on north. Careful.
Oh, where are they now? Can somebody ping where they are?
South.
South of the hideout. Ayun.
Yeah.
Yo, listen. Liopay, Kaba, okay? I'm gonna step up a bit, okay? But we will only engage shallow, then come back, okay?
I'm
Come
remounting,
southeast,
I'm
You can
remounting,
just
oh.
try to kill them.
Andito
Come
kami,
north,
yeah.
come north,
Andito sila, andito
come
sila.
north,
Andito sila.
come north. They're stepping up, okay? Just engage shallow. Listen, just kill front line always. Just kill front line, okay? Do not let them inside my Zerg tanks in my battle mods, okay? Hold on, Okay, step up. Come southeast. Step up with me. Step up with me. Okay, tanks in my front, please. Careful, right?
East.
They're gonna engage
Nasa
fast here,
northeast
okay?
ako, nasa
We
northeast
just
ako.
engage shallow. Marlika, careful, okay? Yo, some tanks west side, some tanks east side. There's gonna be DPS that's gonna
Sino
ramp
nasa
up, okay?
west? Sino nasa
Listen,
west?
step up in the front, battle man. Step up in the
Size ako
front.
na
Hold
size.
here first. Hold here
Super
first, okay?
fast,
Where they?
Nasa isa yata tayo.
Where they? Yo, careful, okay? Spread.
Gigitna na lang ako, gigitna.
Spread northwest.
Nasa,
Okay, they're on the
ako
south
sa
side,
ano.
okay? They're on the south side,
West.
they're on the south
Yo,
side. Careful on
dismounted
the south
ballista,
side. He come
south
northwest,
side.
come north. He rapping defend southwest. Peel up. Wait.
Harap ako, ah.
Wait only. Marlika, southwest on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest on the choke down.
Yung brawler nila,
Come back
southeast,
northeast. Yeah. Come northeast now. Spread demons inside. Come north. Yo, listen. Kill everything inside. Brawl everything
Nasa
inside. Brawl
gitna na
everything
si
inside.
Pakwan.
only. Okay, come
Yo,
inside here,
dismount
come
the jug inside.
Brawl
Jug
everything
inside,
boys.
dismount
Brawl
the
everything
armor,
inside,
net armor.
He's gonna turn soon. He has engaged soon. Ready defenses. Potion. Full defend. Get ready. Keep coming northeast. We're gonna engage inside, okay? Look at the crowd.
Engage
Find the crowd now, DPS. Get ready. We're gonna engage inside only. 5,
Nasa
4,
gitna na ako ng
3, 2, 1. Inside only. Now come northwest. Come back northwest. Okay, come back northwest. They don't have engage yet. They're gonna have engage in 10 seconds. Come northwest uphill. West uphill, boys. West uphill.
Wala akong pagsisi,
Come
ah.
west uphill, okay? Tanks, focus on my south side. Focus one screen on my south side. He's about to engage. Defend now. Good job. Now heal up.
May
Marlika,
lead
come
pa
south.
pala.
Marlika, look at me. Look at the crown now. Crown. Everything on the crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Crown now, boys. Crown now. Nice engage. Okay, now
Ina mo, napatay ako, gago.
Come north side. Help my bombs go north side. Come north side.
Powell.
Careful, Fakol looking. Tanks hold Fakol here.
North,
CC
north,
Fakol
north.
here. On top of me. CC Fakol here. He coming northeast. CC him. He coming northeast. Okay, just brawl shallow, boys. We're gonna engage soon. They're gonna engage. Defend out. Maharlika, get ready. On top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of me now. Now spread northeast side. Come northeast side here. Good job, boys. You're doing good. Just come northeast side here, okay? Yo, help my south side. Help my bomb squad on the south side. Help my bomb squad
West
on the
ako,
south side.
west. May-
Help my bomb squad on the south side, boys. Come
Pakulo.
north side, okay? Help my bomb squad on the south side. We just keep brawling inside, okay? Careful. Listen, Puckle's gonna engage soon. Get ready, okay? Ready, defend now. Marlika, get ready. DPS on top of me. Get ready. Find me now. On top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of me now. Now spread north side. Come north side here. Good job. We're doing good. Spread and brawl here. Come north. Listen. Spread. Marlika, spread. On the next engage, we push, okay? Yo, bomb squad. We push after the next engage. Careful. Fakol looking, okay?
Brawler
Fakol
nila,
looking.
West, ah.
Listen,
Yung
Fakol
mount
on top
niya,
of me,
yung mount
Fakol on
HP
top
niya,
of me. He's gonna
60.
engage
You need to
ready
remount
push in,
60.
okay? Ready. Walking now. Full defend. Walking. Walking now. Switch side. Boys, get ready. East side deep, boys. Marlika, east side deep. By the wall. East side deep. Get ready. By the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. By the wall now. More damage. Now spread and brawl. Spread and brawl now. Yo, listen. Spread and brawl. Fakol looking. He has no engage yet. Listen. He has engaged now. He's looking west. Ready defenses west. Defend now. Nice! Walk in, boys. Walk in. DPS, find me. All my DPS, find me now. All my DPS, find me now. Get ready. Everything. Hold. On top of me. West side.
Tama, bro.
Lock in.
Yo, mga
4,
help niya,
3,
mga
2,
teach niya.
1. West side on me. On me. More damage. Now spread. Come northwest side, boys. Come northwest side. Uphill northwest side again. Yo, group up northwest side. Uphill again. Northwest side. Pakol looking on the choke, okay? Pakol's gonna look on the choke. Pakol's gonna look on the choke, okay? Yo, listen. Help my people. Kaba, where are you? Everyone come southeast. Malika, get ready, okay? Hold. East side shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side shallow on me. I come back. Okay? We pull back northwest here, okay? Tanks CC. They're gonna have engage soon. They're gonna look on this choke. Ready defenses. 10 seconds, boys. We're gonna pop our potion and headbutt east side. Get ready. Heal them up my front line. Hold my front line. Hold them. Yo, listen. Silence the choke now. Marika,
Yo,
potion
Behe,
on the choke.
silence
5,
it, Behe.
4, 3, 2, 1.
remoting
Choke
ako,
down.
Stay na ako.
Come back. Spread northwest. Tanks hold them. They're walking.
Stay na ako.
He's gonna counter inside. Ready defenses. Tanks hold them. Spread, boys. Tanks hold them on the choke. Ready defense on the choke.
Pwede
Spread
na yung
on
ano
it.
ko,
Ready.
pwede.
Full defend inside now. Marika, we're gonna counter. Look at the crowd now. Everything on the crowd now. Southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest now. Kill this guys here. Brothers guys here. Good job. Nice one, boys. Now spread. Listen, I'm staying on top of Pakol,
Sa
okay?
sa east.
Pakol walking north.
Pakol
He's
nasa malalim.
looking north.
Nasa
Ready defenses. Cleanse this. Ready defend. Defend now. Get ready. Defend now. Heal up. Marlika, 3 seconds on me. East side. Get ready. Marlika, hold. East side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side now. Nice one, boys. Now spread.
I need to remount.
Spread and brawl. Spread and brawl only. Heal up
Remount
only.
30 side, remount
Marlika,
30 side.
come to me now. Find the
Remount
crown
kayo,
now.
Bonnet.
Yo, Pakol on top of me. He has engaged. Ready. Spread away from me. Spread away from me. DPS, get ready. Spread away from me.
May pangtulak ako,
You look at me
pangtulak.
now. Find me now. Find the crown now. We're about to engage. Carefully. Looking west side.
Southeast pa rin ako.
Bila. Marika, everything southeast. Potion. Southeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top me now. Headbutt. Nice one, boys. Heal up only. Heal on everyone. Brawl them. Brawl and heal up. Okay. Brawl and heal up. Come south side, boys. Push them. They're trying to, Yo, listen. Pakol on top. He has engaged in 5 seconds. Look at him. Spread away from him, boys.
Zio na your mount,
Spread away
ah.
from him, boys.
Careful.
Spread away from him.
May
Marika, look at me
pangtulak
now.
ako.
We have engaged. They have engaged. Okay, ready to headbutt. Defend now. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now.
Tosa mo brawler nila.
No,
Southeast.
spread. Yeah, brawl. Just brawl. Spread and brawl. We're doing good. We're healthy as fuck. We're doing good, okay? Nice one. Yo, keep pushing them now. Brawlers, spread now. He has engaged in 5 seconds, okay? Yo, Pakol has engaged now. Spread away from me now. Boys, get ready. Everything on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything on top of me now. He's gonna counter. Full defend inside. Defend. Yo. Come south. Lubai. He's all on the south side. He's on the wall. Fucking murder him. Kill him all. Keep coming. He running. Oh my god, boys, he running. Good job, Malika. Catch them all. South side. 5, 4,
Running
3,
na,
2, 1. On me.
Yo, catch the Basi.
Nice one.
Yo, the Basi.
Oh,
Flame blast low.
Flame Basi, low. Tingin, balik sa kami.
No catch battle.
Oh, shit.
Damn
it.
No catch battle mode.
Good job, guys. Good job.
Ay,
Nice one, boys. Good one. Battle one's good.
Oh my god. The comp, it's working. Oh my
May
god.
dito, super good. Yo, loot.
Thank God.
Good luck,